Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a common task that many of you have asked about: how to extract pages from a PDF using Adobe Reader in 2025. Whether you're a student prepping assignments, a professional organizing documents, or just someone tidying up files, this quick guide will have you extracting pages like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, ensure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed. It's free and can be downloaded from the official Adobe website. This is crucial because newer versions, like Adobe Reader 2025, come with enhanced tools for better performance. Step 1. Launch Adobe Reader on your computer. Once it's open, go to the File menu and select Open to load the PDF document you want to work with. Navigate to your file and click Open. Step 2. With your PDF loaded, head over to the Tools tab on the top menu. If you don't see it immediately, click on the three-dot icon or the Tools pane to expand your options. Look for Organize Pages. This is your gateway to editing. Step 3. In the Organize Pages interface, you'll see a thumbnail view of all the pages in your PDF. Simply click on the pages you want to extract. You can hold down the Control key or Command on Mac to select multiple non-consecutive pages, or drag to select Arrange. Step 4. Once your pages are selected, right-click on them and choose Extract from the context menu. A dialog box will pop up where you can specify the destination folder, name your new file, and even decide on extraction settings like deleting pages from the original or not. Step 5. Hit the Extract button and watch as Adobe Reader creates a brand new PDF with just the pages you selected. It's that straightforward. One quick tip. If you're dealing with a large PDF, this process is super efficient in 2025's updated interface, but always save a backup of your original file just in case. There you have it. Extracting pages is now a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.